Hi friends, this is Bharat, 10th class English medium from ZPHS Bajpalli. Today I will discuss about in the dialysis machine. The dialysis machine, when used, the both kidneys are damaged of the person. The human kidneys are vital organs for surviving. And there are several factors are they like infections, injury, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, or least weak blood close to the kidney. This accumulation leads to the death or poisons faced in the human body. This process, the dialysis machine filters the blood of the person when both kidneys are damaged. This process is called hemodialysis process. In this process, you can see the diagram. The blood taken out from the main artery and mixed with anticoagulant, such as heparin, and then pumped into the dialysis machine. You can see the apparatus. The blood flows to the channels or tubes which are made up of the cellophane tubes. The tubes are embedded in the dialysis fluid, and the membrane separates the inside the blood, inside the tube, or and dialysis fluid which has the same composition of the plasma except the nitrogen base. As the nitrogen base are absent in the dialysis fluid, as from the substance, the blood moves out to freely, thereby cleaning the blood of waste. This is called hemodialysis process. Thank you.
Good afternoon teachers, my name is Amla, I am studying in 10th class. I am going to tell an experiment in the biology. The chapter is nutrition. So the experiment is presence of starch in leaves. So the aim is to prove that the presence of starch in leaves. The required materials are beaker, leaf, methylated spirit, boiling tube, asbestos gauze, Bunsen burner, tripod stand, iodine solution and petri dish. So first the procedure. Take a beaker and fill with the water. Take a test tubes and fill with the methylated spirit and put the leaf. So heat the beaker by using the Bunsen burner. So when the water is heated, the leaf becomes pale because during the removal of chlorophyll. So take the leaf in a petri dish and add about the 1 ml of iodine solution. So when the starch is present, it becomes the bluish and black color. So now observe the changes. So the leaf becomes the bluish and black color. We can conclude that the starch have present in the leaves. Thank you.
I am studying 10th class ZPHS Bajpalli. I am discussing about enteric nervous system. Brain is for thinking. The second brain is enteric nervous system. The nervous is consists 100 neurons. The neurons present in the wall of the long tube. The total measure of esophagus to anus to about 9 meters. The neurons help in stimulating and coordinating. The breakdown of the food is also observing the nutrition and expelling of the waste requires for doing all these functions. Chemical process, mechanical mixing, rhythmic muscle contacting to that moves everything down in the line. This question, the enteric nervous system is like question. How can you justify the enteric nervous system has the second brain of the gut? Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is S. Murli from 10th English Medium from ZPHS Koku. Today we discuss about the water and the air is usual for rusting of iron article. For this experiment, the material required are 3 test tube, 6 iron nails, rubber crock, dish of water, oil and calcium chloride. Procedure. Take 3 test tubes and place the iron nails in each of them. Label the test tubes A, B and C. Pour the water in test tube A and close it with rubber cork. Now take B test tube. Pour the boiled dish of water and 1 ml of oil and close it with rubber cork. 1 ml of oil will float on the water and the oil will prevent the air and dispose in the water. And test tube C, in this calcium chloride, put some calcium chloride in C and close it with rubber cork. The calcium chloride is absorb the moisture. After some few days, we can observe that in test tube A we can observe the rust, but we cannot be observe the rust in test tube B and C, because in the test tube A the exposed with both air and water, and in test tube B the nail exposed with only the water, and in the nail of test tube C it exposed with only with dry air. With this experiment we conclude that air and the water are the assistant for rusting of iron nail. In examination we get this question in 4 marks. So we cannot be leave this question. And thank you friends. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to me. Thank you.
Myself Ramcharan from ZPHS Gullapochampalli High School. My subject is physical science. Topic is, what is the reason behind the pain occurs when red ant bites us? So the ant releases some material when it bites us. That material is called as formic acid. That formic acid is react with our tissues and cells in our body. It generates lot of pain. So we can control that. We must add some base to that place. So soap and rub that place with soap, and acid and base are reacted together. It can be neutralized, and at the time the pain is controlled. Thank you, and stay home, stay safe.
My name is Navya, studying in 10th class Telugu medium, ZPHS Babagura School, Balanagar Mandal, Medcel district.
My name is Gayatri. I am studying in 10th class Telugu medium in ZPHS Babagura.
మేము చెప్పబోయే బయాలజీ థర్డ్ లెసన్. ప్రసరణ పదార్థ రవాణా వ్యవస్థ. ధమని సిరల మధ్య తేడాలు. ధమని అడ్డుకోత భాగం.
ఇది సిరల అడ్డుకోత భాగం.
ధమనుల గోడలు దృఢంగా ఉంటాయి.
సిరలలో పలుచగా ఉంటాయి.
ధమనుల కవాటాలు ఉండవు.
సిరలలో కవాటాలు ఉంటాయి.
ధమనుల రక్తపీడనం ఎక్కువ.
సిరలలో రక్తపీడనం తక్కువ.
ధమనులలో ఆక్సిజన్ సహిత రక్తం ఉంటుంది.
సిరలలో ఆక్సిజన్ రహిత రక్తం ఉంటుంది.
గుండె నుండి శరీర భాగాలకు రక్తాన్ని తీసుకువెళ్తాయి.
సిరలు శరీర భాగాల నుండి గుండెకు చేరవేస్తాయి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.